my people, good morning. I love the subscribers and friends and family. Good morning. This morning I'm gonna prepare some porridge. Yeah, I'm gonna use cornmeal. I'm gonna use oats. I'm gonna use plantain in it. Cornmeal, plantain, and oats together. And I have just a cinnamon leaf here. I have my vanilla here, and I have my dates I'm gonna use here, and I have some cinnamon powder as well, and I had nutmeg. All right, so you just stay tuned and watch what's going on. This is All Purpose Kitchen again, doing an amazing porridge this morning. All right, so you guys stay tuned. All right, thank you. I'm gonna put my cinnamon stick in it. Yep. I'm gonna get everything blended up right now. I'm gonna get the oats, the plantain, and the cornmeal, everything together gonna be blended, alright? And get it smooth, okay? So stay tuned. I'm only going to use half of the plantain because I don't want to use all of it. I'm just boiling a little bit of porridge, not enough. I'm gonna get the oats in. Gonna get a little cornmeal in as well. I'm gonna get in the dates as well. Everything blending at once. Thing blend up now, so I'm gonna get it into my pot. Don't want any lump in it, you know. Keep stirring it. I'm gonna add a little salt to it. Just a little. I don't want it to be salt. Then I'm gonna put a little vanilla inside of it and give it a stir again. Yeah. Don't use any milk in this, I'll just use some date to sweeten it. So I'm gonna put the stove on medium and make it go and boil. Alright. Gonna cover it, make it go and have his way. Okay.